Hello everyone, you are on the Franklin Trade channel, and today in this video, we will talk about how to achieve an income of $500. In fact, it is not that difficult. And an income of $500 is quite an achievable result for an ordinary trader, and even for a beginner trader. As we all know, professional traders definitely earn quite a lot. But when they started their journey, they always began with the basics and didn't earn that much. And that's what we will talk about today. In the meantime, let's look at the currency pairs and find a good situation that we can work on and make some money. If you want to make money, don't forget about my Telegram channel, where we trade and earn really good money. So join the team and let's make some really good money together. Alright, I quickly reviewed all the currency pairs. Quickly. I already found one candidate for our work today, but actually I didn't find one. So let's look at the payout percentages to see where they are the highest right now and find a trading opportunity here, because the market is a bit ambiguous, slightly complex, but it is possible to make money here. The euro to dollar looks great for us, with a slightly ascending channel, but the price is currently dropping significantly, so we are opening a position for $250. Why did I do this? At the top, we have a small level that we just cannot update. We also have a more global trend that has been going on for several hours, so we just keep it in mind. And at the moment, the price is dropping significantly right to the trend line. Basically, this is what I was waiting for, but I thought it would happen a bit slower. So, most likely, we will see a bounce off the trend line and the price will continue to move upward. This is something to remember for the future. Let's remember this currency pair and mark it so we don't lose it. Next, we have the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, and the Swiss franc and Japanese yen. They look absolutely identical, but the Canadian dollar and Japanese yen look more promising. We also have a minimum that we cannot update and a very small trend, a micro trend, I would even say, a channel in which the price moves from one boundary to another. It is worth noting this, and also the level here is mirrored. The price has dropped significantly, and I would like to open a position here for an increase. But it might happen that the price will drop further down. It's worth watching this because opening a position right away is not the best idea. Let's observe a little, watch a little, and wait to see what happens here. Market. If the price drops significantly, like it is now, it is quite possible to open a position for an increase. We will reduce the volumes, and as soon as we have any indications of a reversal, or near the level, we will open a position for an increase. Now a green candle has appeared. Most likely there will be a reversal soon, but it is also worth noting the round number below that the price is aiming for. We will open a position. Well in advance to that, let's say, if the price reverses a little earlier than when it reaches the round hour, we will be prepared. Then, of course, if necessary, we will open another position to cover our loss, and then we will definitely make a profit because after a sharp drop, there is always a correction, especially if this drop reaches a certain level, the round hour, or a zone of interest for buyers or sellers. This always needs to be taken into account in trading. Mostly, beginners do not consider this, but more professional traders work from level to level, from round hour to round hour and within certain trends. Reversal enthusiasts always get knocked out, and here we have an ambiguous situation. It is always worth working exclusively with the trend. Well, now I am showing by my own example that it is possible to work against the trend, at least for an increase. All traders know that the market is cyclical and situations repeat themselves. Those who have been trading for more than a few months or even years know that all the trading situations that I work through, are standard. Right now, we have dropped to a certain level and the price has moved sideways. There has been some movement on the euro to dollar exchange rate, influenced by recent economic data. It is worth looking at a more global chart to understand what has happened here. What happened is that we reached the trend line. This is very good. Let's see how the price will move further, but for now, let's observe the Canadian dollar/Japanese yen. I already mentioned that the market is cyclical, and many traders just work through the same trading situations. They don't change every day. You just need to periodically adjust to the market. As you can see with the Canadian dollar/Japanese yen, the price didn't even come close to the round hour. So we opened a bit early. If you had waited for the moment when the price bounced off the support level or a round hour, you would have ended up with a loss because the price simply wouldn't have reached there. And we are making good money. Obviously, we opened with the minimum volume, but that's okay. Let's take a look at the euro-dollar. The euro-dollar has hit our level, which is good, and Canada and Japan have turned around well. The euro-dollar looks quite interesting, and it is clear that there is support from below that prevents the price from going down. This is a very important fact. Usually, after such a situation, the price shoots in one of two directions. Of course, we would like the price to shoot up at this moment, rather than down because of the support. If it were from the resistance level, the price would most likely have fallen down. But since we have support, we are working on increasing. Friends, to earn $500, you need to trade constantly, analyze the market constantly, and constantly learn something new in trading. Everything is dull. Trading will become routine in a year, but if you trade every day, work on trading situations every day, you will succeed. If you find it hard to work and need support, need a team, then be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel, send me a private message, and I will tell you everything I know about trading. Become my partner and we will make good money together. Also, don't forget to like this video and leave comments if something is unclear to you. But it's better to write me private messages, I will respond much faster there. As we can see, the price is rising well and our position is closing in profit. This is exactly what we expected. So, friends, thank you all for watching. Bye bye.